Hey guys, Alex Ryan here. Welcome back. It's good to have you here. Now, you might be thinking, those tools, what are those tools that Alex uses? What are those tools out there? You know, you've got so many tools out there. You've got Jungle Scout, you've got this tool and that tool. Which tool is the best tool to use? And how many times is Alex going to say the word tool? Well, all right. So which tool do you use? Well, you got to find out, guys. You got to realize that tools are simply just that. They're tools, right? There's other things behind the scenes that you have to be doing, all right? You have to be doing, yeah? It's not just a matter of using a tool and it's saying, this is the turnover, this is the reviews, this is why you should jump on it, right? You've got to do other research behind the scenes. And a lot of people tend to just go for it. They just jump the gun a little bit and they see some of these tools that says, hey, this is a great product, it's making good money, let's jump on it, right? That isn't the way to do. You've got to spend a bit of time making sure that it is consistent, it's generating consistent sales, right? So, for example, if you were trying to buy St. Patrick's Day, you look at St. Patrick's Day orange beards during the month of September, I think it's St. Patrick's Day, right? Month of September, right? You'll notice a big spike and you're like, holy moly, these orange beards are flying off the shelves. This is a popular product. I better jump on this. It's obviously making money. Now, the next month, you'll find that there's a bit of a decline. So that's why you kind of want to monitor a product potentially for 2 weeks, 3 weeks, maybe even longer. It really depends on what you want to do, right? But monitor it. Make sure it's a consistent sales volume flowing through, all right? It has consistent sales. So that's the first thing, guys. So behind the scenes, there's a lot more goes into finding hot products. It's not just using tools, there's actual research. And this is the sort of stuff that we cover in our training, in some of our videos, but also at the 2-day live events that I run here in Australia and sometimes New Zealand. So guys, make sure that you get proper training. Make sure that you don't just rely on these tools. Make sure you actually do follow other systems to make sure that it is going to be consistent. It's a consistent trend. It's not just a spike. And make sure there is consistent sales coming in for that particular product. And guys, there are so many ways to find products online, some product ideas, right? There's so many ways out there. But unfortunately, most people, they just jump on products that they just like or think that would do well. There's actually no research behind the product that they choose. So it's very unfortunate. Actually, I think a lot of people on Amazon, when they list their products, they're winging it. All right, they're really trying to figure it out for themselves, and they make a lot of mistakes. And some people want to figure it out for themselves, and they're like, you know what? I don't want to pay any money, and that's totally their. And I respect that. You know, they want to try it out for themselves, but they will end up paying for it either way. It's probably at the end when the goods don't sell. That's probably it. So either way, they're going to pay for it, all right? So they don't want to pay up front for training or coaching, but they'll end up paying for it later on when they make decisions, when they do the Amazon listing incorrectly. If you're based in Australia or New Zealand and you send something to the Amazon FBA warehouse, the USA, right, and something's not right, if it's got cellophane in it, right, in the actual good, and there's no suffocation certificate on there, right, boom. What's the Amazon FBA warehouse going to do? They're going to send it back to you, right? They're going to send it back to China, or they're not going to hold the stock for you for free of charge. They're not going to store the product for you. They're going to send it back to you, and you'll be paying shipping on that, right? So there is a lot of mistakes to make. You've got to make sure anything electrical, it's got to have the CE, it's got to have all these electrical certificates, right? There's a whole process to doing it. Now, I've been involved in import-export for 10 years. I've seen pretty much these things happen on a daily basis, right, with other importers, with other Amazon sellers. So you don't want this happening to you. That's why you want to set it up correctly from the beginning. So guys, check out, at least sign up to my videos, sign up to my free training, check it out, and make sure you follow, make sure you open my emails as well, and subscribe to this channel. There's down here somewhere, there's a way to subscribe to the channel and turn notifications on. If you love this video, please give it a thumbs up and check out some of my other videos. I'm here to help you guys. I wish you the best on your Amazon success, and hopefully I'll talk to you real soon. Bye-bye for now. The number one factor for success on Amazon comes down to your product. That's essentially it. It comes down to your product. If you don't have an awesome product, it's not going to sell. No matter how good your marketing is, it's just not going to sell. So most people go down the shotgun strategy, which is they have a shotgun, they try like 20 different products and fingers crossed, hope that it works, right? But that's no way to build a successful Amazon business, right? So you need to make sure that the product that you're selling is going to be a killer, it's going to be a winning product. That's how you make money on Amazon. Some people say they don't have the time, they don't have the money, they don't have the experience. Their husband won't let them, their wife won't let them, their pet rock won't let them. And listen, you've got two choices, right? You either make excuses or you make money. You can't do both, right? You either do one or the other. Now, personally, I would rather make money. I don't know about you, right? But that's something you got to commit to. Are you ready to make money? Are you committing to success? Are you ready to start your business on Amazon? It's a good question for you. Are you ready to find your hot product? Are you ready to launch your Amazon empire?